Hey, welcome back to Herbal Gardens. So today we'll be drawing a French fries. So grab your paper and let's get started. So first we'll start by drawing from the middle of your page, right over here, and a little left to draw a straight line just like this. Now we go on with a curve like so. And then a straight line duplicating this. Now from here we will go like this, and we'll be drawing this with perspective going towards this region, and from here like this. Now we'll draw from here, reaching out and joining these two lines, like so. Now from here, draw another line and down. And you'll get it like this. Draw it like this and you would get it. Now from here you'll be drawing the French fries. So we'll keep drawing those stick like thing again and again until you fill this box. One over here, and one over here, and I guess that's enough. Now fries over here. Like so. And now we'll be drawing two bottles. One of ketchup . Now we'll be duplicating the same one over here. So now you get that. Now I'll ink this. So I'll time lapse the inking process because there aren't any instructions needed for it, so let's get into it. So as we finished inking it, now let's get into the coloring process. So we'll start by using the red for these places. Leave out this middle space and then go over here too, and you can do over these places too. Just add those highlights and shadows and go with it. And that's pretty much it. There was the French fries. I mean, it's just lesson. If you like the content, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Please hit the like button too, and give your suggestions in the comment section. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video. So till then, bye.